For today's entree, we recommend preparing the quick and easy mushroom salad. Add salt in an already preheated pan with boiling water. Add the pieces of meat to boil. Cut up the mushrooms vertically. Cut up the pickles into tiny pieces. Fry the mushrooms in a preheated pan. Add salt, pepper, and mix. Cut up the parsley into tiny bits. Cut up the cooked meat into tiny pieces. Grate hard-boiled eggs on top of the parts of meat. Add the fried mushrooms on top of the ingredients. Add the parsley, pickles, and sour cream to the mixture. Add salt, pepper, and mix until you get a seamless mix. Put the salad on a plate. Decorate with circles of red onion and tiny bits of chive. The estimated time for preparing this dish is about 40 minutes. Bon appetit!